Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I'm going to do a video walkthrough on this Scout 275. It's a year model 2019, but it has 216 hours on it today. It's equipped with twin Mercury 225 Verados. Step aboard here, taking a look at the optional bait prep station, but here are those motors. Paint's still in great shape. That hose down there is for your raw water wash down. Flip the switches on the boat. I've not found anything that does not work. Let's see if we can look down here and see those underwater lights reflecting off the motors. It does have two underwater lights. Got rod storage here under both the port and the starboard gunnels. Got two in-deck fish boxes that is macerated and goes overboard discharge. Take a look at the photos. This seat actually folds down three ways. If you look here, you can undo it, lay it down, and have like a small casting deck back here to access the transom even more. And then this flips up like that. Grab that handle and the seat folds down. I did snap some still shots of those, and it's in there. And then lastly, this compartment is just access to your bilge. Your pumps are down there. Your raw water pumps, overboard discharge, that kind of stuff are all accessed through there. Got four rod holders in the backrest there, 5 up top, one on each gunnel, 2 live wells, both in the corners that you can see there. These are for the fender pros, so you can just snap your fenders right into there. Got drawers for storage in the rigging station. Larger drawer down below. A lot of storage in this boat. This compartment opens up. You've got storage there. Got this helm seat. Something there on it. Upholstery is in great shape. This helm seat has got flip down bolsters if you want to sit, and flip down armrest. Upholstery appears to be all in good shape. Digital throttle and shift here. Power assist steering, Edison wheel, tilt wheel here, Linko trim tabs with LED indicator, Fusion remote there, push button start. Engine instrumentation is linked into the Garmin. Got push button breakers there. A little bit of a mark there on the display. Got the lights lit up, LED. Blue, green, Garmin, VHF radio, Taco Outriggers, collapsible poles which are on the boat, upholstery, and threads there. It hadn't been bleached out or anything like that. Don't notice any rips or tears. Backrest on the cushions. All this is in good shape. I've got a little bit of mildew that's starting here that I believe a good detailer that knows what he's doing can pull that off. Up front, you've got anchor windlass. You've got controls here as well as at the helm. Stainless anchor itself, and then there's your windlass motor. It does appear to be functioning. Waste pump out also has the macerator. Got just some footprints there that was on the boat when I climbed on today, but that'll clean right up. This forward box pops up, and you've got some nice deep storage in there. You can tell the current owner uses it for life jackets, but you can keep fishing tackle, storage, that kind of stuff down there. Bow table that's stored in the console, and then up here in this forward area you've got hanging storage for ropes and that kind of stuff. It's what he's using it for. Plenty of room. Underneath here is a cooler. Plug it, insulated, and ice it. Drinks there. Coming around again, this upholstery bolster pads are in good shape. Freshwater wash down. You step over to the other side and open up the compartment. I got trash receptacle here. And coming around, bait rigging station here. So another cooler. You can throw a couple bags of ice in there in your ballyhoo and be ready to roll. boat does have a thru-hull transducer. I mentioned the VHF radio, underwater lights. Stepping in here, got an onboard battery charger, the Medico head. There's your holding tank. Showed you the Overboard pump out, and it is macerated teak table. Instruments here, push button breakers on everything. Got some flooring at the helm area, and also stepping aboard the boat. Both the port and starboard corners. GL audio speakers up in the hardtop. LED lights on there. Guys, Andy Farmer here. Roughly 220 hours, 216 hours on this boat as of right now. It's a nice, clean 27-foot Scout. If you're looking for a twin engine, center console hasn't been used a whole lot. It's in good shape. This is it. Give us a call if you have any questions. Best way to reach me is my cell. Text is okay as well at that number. It's 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Give us a shout if you have any questions.